Hello, fellow cyclists, YouTubers. Well, I finally completed this totally extreme custom Sram GX rear derailleur. Couple custom components on here. These are right here. These are custom links from Madrone. I had them custom anodized here. This is a custom anodized B Bolt. I got it off eBay. It was in the gold color, and then I custom anodized it with the splash color here. And you could get these links on Madrone. It's a kit to rebuild your X01, XX1, and GX rear derailleurs. So I was able to use the kit to rebuild this, even though it's a brand new derailleur, but I wanted to use customized links on here. This is the Kolossos from Kogel for Sram Kolossos cage, and it's also custom anodized. I bought it from Kogel in a raw aluminum color, so it could be easier to custom anodize. These are here. These small bolts are in titanium, sort of like a colorful rainbowish color. Titanium bolts I put in. Also, has ceramic bearings, and fully anodized here. I'm just really impressed with how it came out. It's just really beautiful anodizing. I can't wait to you guys see the rest of the bike build. It's gonna blow you guys away. It's just a show of artwork from the anodizer. This is just the back side here, and I just finished it just a moment ago. And this is the 12-speed GX. Also, another note right over here. This is also a special cable cam. I got it from Ratio Technologies with the whole kit. This is actually a cable cam, which I'm going to be using Sram road shifters to have the same pull ratio as the Eagle derailleurs, so I don't have to use electronic shifting. So that's Ratio Technologies. A lot of you heard of them, but it's a small, awesome little company in the UK. And so this cam allows the cable pull for road shifters to work with mountain bike Sram Eagle rear derailleurs. And this is the cam here, and then titanium little bolt here, and put on these little crampons here. Everything's solid. I'm just really impressed with the whole thing here. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more insane, extreme finishing up this custom build. Thanks for watching.